Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox again a brand new smartwatch. So this is Smart Fitness Band and it has many futuristic and specification. So first it has heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, smart alarm clock, touch key, call reminder, steps, sedentary reminder, messenger reminder, and sort your band. For specification, it's 0.86 inch OLED. It has a polymer battery. It has a 15 mAh battery and is very good smartwatch. So it works in -20 Celsius and 45 Celsius. It has so it supports Android 4.4 and under iOS 8.0. So this smart band it has no charger. It charged in the USB port. So let's take a look at the smartwatch. So it has a rubbery bands. In the bottom we have just the scanner. So it's single touch and it has many different options. Calories, heart rate, blood pressure, SMS, function. So this is the main page. To charge this smart band, you just have to pop this out and it's gonna come out like this, and it's a USB port, so you can charge in USB. Here we have the watch. These are steps. This is the distant interface. The interface is based on the number of walking steps, the height of the APP individual, and the journey of the day. We have calorie. So here is going to show the burn calorie that we made for one day. We have heart rate interface. So here is gonna measure our heart rate, and here we have blood pressure. So here is gonna measure our blood pressure, and in the bottom it's gonna show the number or the after the blood pressure is taken. Here we have the oxygen. Now if we go to SMS, it's gonna show our message from our phone after we connect with our phone. Here we have function. Function is the last option in this smartwatch, so press and hold. So we have find device, the MAC number, we have restart and power off. So this is this smartwatch, and let's test the blood pressure. Let's go to blood pressure and just wait. It's gonna take some time. So in the bottom is showing our heart rate. In the meantime, you're taking a look in the back. So here is showing the real time heart rate. Now we have blood pressure. Also we have to wait to see the result. Here in the bottom is going to show the result. The blood pressure will take longer. So here is the blood pressure, blood oxygen, and other information. So guys, this is all from the Smartband. In the next video we're going to show you how to connect the Smartband with your smartphone. So please subscribe and turn the notification on. See you in the next video.